Welcome friends, and thank you for watching my video. This is a really quick recipe for one of the cornerstones of traditional German cooking. Just like the potato salad, I want to get all the staple foods uploaded so that you can come back to them in the future when we use them as a side. So let's jump right in. Sauerkraut is used in so many different dishes, and it's so well known that it would be weird for me to not cover it right out the gate. It is super easy to make, and it only requires an absolute minimum proficiency in canning and fermenting. You do need a few pieces of equipment, but you can pull it off with pretty much anything you have available. Start processing the cabbage by removing any browning leaves and cut off all the dark spots. After that, cut it in half and remove the strunk. Use a long knife and begin cutting it into very thin strips. Place all the cut cabbage into a large bowl. When all the cabbage is sliced, add the salt to it. Make sure that your hands are very clean and thoroughly rinsed, and start kneading the cabbage gently to help release the water from it. This will take several minutes. I want to mention that I actually cook a lot more than just traditional German food, and I have a bunch of recipes ranging from culture-specific foods to vegan recipes, low-calorie diet meals, and even a good amount of keto stuff. The German recipes are a really good way to start things off since that's my actual heritage, but I'm just enjoying the process of filming and editing. What I'm cooking is really up to what you all want to see, so leave me a comment below and give me any suggestions, or let me know if there's something you're really interested in. Once most of the liquid has released from the cabbage, you can add your seasoning. I used caraway seeds and bay leaves. You can also add other flavors like juniper berries or white wine to the cabbage. Once you are happy with your seasoning, fill the cabbage into a jar and make sure that it's all completely submerged in the liquid. To help with this, you can use a tool to push the cabbage down, or you can use fermentation weights to weigh the cabbage down in the brine. Seal the jar tightly and store it in a warm spot in your kitchen for about 24 to 48 hours. After that, move it into the fridge and let it ferment for 7 to 14 days depending on how sour you want your sauerkraut to become. Sauerkraut is used as a side in many German meat dishes, and it's also paired with homemade pasta and dumplings. I hope you try this out because it's much better than the kind you can buy in the store. Let me know how it goes. My socials are in the description below along with the recipe. I would really like to see this channel develop into a small community, and if you'd like to be a part of the ride, please consider subscribing. Thank you very much for joining me today, and I will see you next time.